Ignitra supplement review. Is it safe and truly effective? I was running on empty, physically and mentally. No matter how much I slept, I woke up tired. My focus was gone, my energy low, and I felt like I was just dragging through the day. Then I found Ignitra. At first, I didn't believe another supplement could make a real difference. But the formula caught my eye. Natural ingredients aimed at improving stamina, focus, and overall vitality. So I gave it a shot. Week 1, subtle energy lift, no crash. Week 2, sharper focus, better workouts, and my motivation returned. By week 3, I was waking up refreshed with steady drive and confidence that lasted all day. Now, after a full month, I can confidently say Ignitra is safe, effective, and worth it. No jitters, no weird side effects, just clean, consistent energy and performance. If you've been feeling drained or distracted, Ignitra might be the natural boost your body's been missing. Click the link below to see how Ignitra can help you recharge your mind and body naturally. You'll be amazed at how quickly the difference shows.